Welcome back to the second part of me building a skilled highly detailed Lamborghini Revuelto from cardboard. In this video, I'm going to be working on the fender, the bumper, the rear end, the front end, and even the entire body panel of the Lamborghini Revuelto. And all that is happening right here in Pelux Industries. So I'm going to kick up from where we stopped in the last video, which was the chassis. This is one of the most important parts of the Lamborghini Revuelto because it is responsible in holding or carrying most of the parts which will be added to this Revuelto. Now that the chassis is all done, I'm going to start working on the front end of the Revuelto, which I'm going to start by cutting the fender. This is the side bumper. So now I'm going to start joining the front pieces together. Next, I'm going to start working on the hood. So these are the hinges I'm going to be using for the Revuelto hood. And this is it when they're all coupled together. Now that most of the parts in the front end are done, now I'm going to start making the doors. These are all the pieces of the door which are going to be glued together to give us a perfectly shaped door. Now that the doors are all done, it is time to move on to the rear quarters. Now this is the Revuelto spoiler. This is going to be an active spoiler which is going to be controlled remotely. As you can see, it's manually controlled by hand, but in future videos we're going to add electronics which will make it be controlled remotely. Now that I'm done with the spoiler and nearly everything in the rear end, it's time to work on the roof of the Revuelto. As you can see, the first thing I did is attaching the A-pillar, then mounting the roof. So we are done with most of the body panels. I hope it's looking like the Revuelto already. To be sincere, I would say it's kind of looking like the Revuelto already. But obviously there's a lot of work to be done on this Revuelto, like the engine cover, the panel gap, the headlight, tail light, and a lot more other components. Now for the doors are going to be mounted and aligned in the next video. So that's it for this video. Let me know what you think about this project under the comment section. Make sure you like, subscribe and turn your notification bell so you won't miss my next video.